Hey everyone. So I'm deciding for my stage 4 to do a video because honestly, that sounds like a lot of fun to do a video for it. All right. So I, for this one, I chose to use NyQuil and ibuprofen, two very complex compounds used for many of different reasons. So the product in which uh, So the name of the compounds I chose within these, I chose, ibuprofen for one, and acetaminophen, which is one of the main ingredients in NyQuil, because I've been using it to sleep because I've been sick. So it worked out pretty well for me. Okay. So technically, this is the interesting part. Technically, both acetaminophen and ibuprofen are converted in salts to make them soluble in water. So it makes them an ionic compound. However, the pure acetaminophen and ibuprofen are covalently bonded. So little interesting piece that I found out in all my research. Okay, so for the chemical formulas, acetaminophen, we got carbon to 8, hydrogen 9, nitrogen and oxygen 2. Okay, so that's what we got for acetaminophen for the chemical formula. The little structure, you'd have to actually look at my diagram because it's a little bit more complicated to describe it all out. And then the molar mass of acetaminophen is 151.163 grams slash mole. Then we got ibuprofen. You got C13H1 H18O2, a lot of hydrogens in that one, with a molar mass of 206.29 grams mole. So interesting molar mass on that one. Surprisingly, a lot of hydrogen goes into ibuprofen. Okay, so the purpose of these compounds and this product, why is the compound in the product, and what does it do? Well, the acetaminophen and ibuprofen are pain/fever reducers. Mixed with other ingredients, it helps, headaches. It helps with, it can't help with headaches, actually. Headaches, pains, and fevers while you're sleeping. Hence, the NyQuil helps you when you're having a stuffy nose and everything. It makes it a whole lot easier to fall asleep when you have something in your body that's helping regulate the aches and the pains and the fever symptoms. Okay, and so along with that, the physical properties include, 11 atoms, lots of hydrogen bond donors, sorry, and 3 different isotopes combined make these compounds. They have an analgesic, an anti-inflammatory, and an antipyretic physical properties to them. So interesting chemical and physical properties. Not things I really would have ever known about these two meds unless I looked at this. And then so yeah, that's the interesting part about all of this, And then also we needed to define covalent and ionic compounds. And a covalent compound is made up when two or more non-metal atoms bond by sharing valence electrons, which we've all learned about so far. The shared valence electrons between two non-metal atoms is called a covalent bond. Okay, and then we have an ionic compound, which in chemistry, ionic compound is a chemical compound comprising of ions held together by an electrostatic force termed ionic bonding. Okay, so there we go. There we have covalent and ionic compounds, two very interesting chemical formulas that we got to view here. So, in referencing, I got my information from our school college website under hardness of covalent compounds, roles of metallic compounds, and valence electrons. Very interesting stuff. So if you have any other questions or anything, feel free to let me know. Thanks, everybody. Hope you enjoyed my interesting little video.